The online magazine Bibimat published an article about the fact that Almaz Antey refused to produce Russian electric cars. We offer you to listen to this news under an unobtrusive video sequence. So let's go. The Almaz Antey company decided to abandon the production of electric cars. As stated in the press service of the military enterprise, they are moving to a new project, the development of gas-electric vehicles. Recall that at the end of 2021, Almaz Antey presented an electric platform of its own design and registered a ready-made running model of a new electric crossover called Eneva. In addition, the company received a number of patents for the components used in the development of this model. At the same time, it was announced that the Russian electric car would become one of the most modern in the world, since it was initially developed on an unmanned modular platform. This chassis allows you to release a whole range of new electric cars with different body types. Eneva is a mid-size crossover with a body length of 4.5 meters. It is equipped with an electric motor, allowing it to reach a maximum speed of 197 km/h. The battery provides a range of up to 463 kilometers. The manufacturer has repeatedly emphasized that the electric motor and battery are foreign, and there is nothing wrong with that. Many large auto brands buy them. The possibility of switching to Russian batteries and motors was not excluded, if such appeared by the time of the conveyor launch of Eneva. In the basic configuration, it was supposed to produce rear-wheel drive cars. This was exactly what the prototype was. In the future, the manufacturer was going to organize the assembly of the top version of the all-wheel drive electric car with a connected front axle. The crossover received a trunk with a useful volume of 610 liters, a head-up display and a fully digital instrument cluster with a touchscreen multimedia infotainment system. The plans of Almaz Antey included the development of a crossover, a compact urban electric car, a commercial van of the cable-car type. In addition, in the future there were projects for the production of gas and hydrogen hybrids. But now the plans of the manufacturer have changed. Now gas-electric hybrids are being developed. What is the reason for such a decision is not yet reported. It is possible that this was influenced by the economic sanctions imposed against the Russian Federation. The representative of Almaz Antey officially announced that the almost finished gas-electric car is being finalized at the Obakek plant, owned by the concern. It is not yet clear whether the new hybrid will become serial. The company calculates the economic feasibility of releasing the model. What do you think? Will Almaz Antey succeed this time? Friends, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Put likes, share your opinion and watch other materials that are published only on the site. Be sure to participate in the interactive voting. Feel free to express your attitude to the news and see what other Bibimat readers think about it.